Hi, Nissa. Go on in. Brown shoes with a black cock? I think not. Try the diner down the block. In my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap.
What are you voting for?
I don't know! The money and the picture and the slap, slap, slap. Oh!
Can I check my email? I want to make sure my cheese of the month is on its way.
Sure, Carl. The computer's over there. Hey, Sheen, help me lock down this...
Sure thing, Jim.
Louder!
Carl Weezer, you cannot be in the play if we can't hear you.
I didn't know how to do this! My mom forced me! She said it would be good for my self-esteem!
Ladies and gentlemen, we found our first witch.